Is your maintenance program reactive? Do you have low OEE, recurring greasing issues, or PM tasks that fail to catch failures? It's time to optimize your preventive maintenance strategy. Our PMO workshop is the first step to gain practical knowledge on how to perform a preventive maintenance optimization based on failure modes. Learn how to align tasks with failure modes, eliminate inefficiencies, minimize risk, reduce unplanned and planned downtime, and maximize labor efficiency using real-life examples. This workshop is designed for maintenance supervisors, engineers, plant managers, and reliability specialists looking to take control of their asset strategies. By the end of this workshop, you'll have updated and optimized maintenance strategies for selected assets and a clear before and after PMO impact. Contact us today to learn more about this workshop.